this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. First of all, what do you think so far from what you know, Sneed, about the LG Stylo 5? Any comments?
The LG Stylo 5, generally speaking, has been a bit of a disappointment. Most people would tell you they're disappointed in the specs. They didn't see any type of major improvement that would justify spending money to get out of the 4 and into the 5. If you were going into a 5 from a 4, you probably felt like, well, I'm just upgrading for an operating system. I'm not really getting anything from the hardware end that's really that much better. The one thing I will say, though, is if you are looking to get into a newer device and you're looking for a good deal, the Stylo 5 from Metro might actually be a good deal because of the pricing options they have. So maybe if you're coming from a Stylo 3, maybe if you just like the Stylo devices and you're willing to upgrade on an annual basis, Metro, out of all the companies, might be the best way to go because of the pricing.
True. So we're actually going to talk about that right now. The Stylo 5, for those that haven't seen the video we uploaded today, is very similar, again, to the Stylo 5 that was released for Boost Mobile and for Cricket. And unfortunately, so I'm going to go through them real quick. It does not have the 4 gigabytes that we thought. It only has 3 gigabytes of RAM. The battery is 3500 milliamp battery. It's a 32 gigs of internal memory. And the only major difference, again, was the price, and it's a silver model. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Cricket has the pink model and it has the platinum gray. There was actually a mistake in that when I was creating the video. It is actually a silver model that will be coming out to Metro PCS. So looking at the specs and comparing, like you guys can see in the screen right now, to the LG Stylo 4, not much of an improvement, right? Because you can see, as you can see, the processor, 1.8 gigahertz Snapdragon 450, similar to the Snapdragon 450 that we have on the Stylo 5. The best thing about this phone is that you can get it for free if you're porting in. So far, that is the best news that we've received. If you're getting it just through an upgrade, it's $179, and then if you're getting a new line, they're actually giving you an instant rebate of $100, so we'll go down from $179 to $79 only, plus taxes, of course, and in the first month. So that is the specs for the LG Stylo 5 for Metro. And comparing to the LG Stylo 4, like I've been seeing in the comments, people are really disappointed. They're like, you know what? It's not worth me the upgrade for me, so I'm just going to stick with my LG Stylo 4, right? So in the comments, I mean, what do you guys think? I want to hear you guys. What's your opinion? Now that we are confirmed that this is the Stylo 5 specs, this is the price. By the way, the release date is July 29th. This is confirmed official information. So what do you guys think? Now that we have all these details and info, is it worth the upgrade, or will you just stick with the Stylo 4? Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.